Hello, I want to talk about what indicates our age. First of all, this is face and hands. But we'll talk about the face another time. And now we are talking about the hands.
Our hands do a lot of things help us, but they also age rapidly. The hands contain little fat and are constantly exposed to sunlight, hot and cold water. At the same time, we don't pay attention to them at all. We don't take care of them properly. We don't have a clue how much they suffer. I want to tell you how to take care of your hands, how to make them look really good, and don't tell anyone about your age. First of all, if you live in an area where it's cold, you need to protect your hands from the cold wind and frost. Just use gloves, wear them whenever you go outside in bad weather. It helps very much, really. If you live in a hot climate or you have a hot and sunny summer, use sunscreen for your hands. When you wash your hands, wash them only with warm water because hot water dries the skin and cold water causes flaking. Never use soap. Use quite a bit, just a drop of liquid soap. Use rubber gloves when you're washing dishes. Apply nourishing hand cream 2 times a day, morning and evening. And now you have well groomed, gentle hands that just want to touch.